So, check out what we got in the mail today. So, to get you all on situation, I've been away from fingerboarding from like 9 years from now. I think I quit it when I was 17 and I'm 26 now. Yeah, I'm not quite sure what I'm doing buying those things again, but we are in a pandemic lockdown. I'm pretty bored. I'm a collector and I like fingerboarding, so yeah, I thought that all mixed up ended up in getting a, well, you guys will see now. Well, first of all, I all of my previous videos are, I'm not quite sure if I'm gonna publish this or not at the time, but I'm gonna do it anyway because yeah, if I unbox this and I don't do the video, maybe then I will regret it, but if I do it anyway and then I don't post it, pues, who cares, right? So yeah, my previous videos were in Spanish because there was a big fingerboard community back then in Spain. Now I can't find any forum related with fingerboarding. Again, I found a little unupdated forum in English, I mean not in Spanish at all. So yeah, I was a kid back then, I couldn't speak English properly. Now I almost can. I mean, I can defend myself, so yeah, I think this video will reach more people if I do it in English than if I do it in Spanish. So here we go. So I ordered again from Blackriver ramps and I got, you will see now, you will see. I'm so hyped about this. Like, I don't remember what was my last order and when, but yeah, it was quite a long time ago. As I said, I wouldn't imagine myself spending money again on this, but yeah, lockdown things, right? So much time to think. Ooh. Another thing that made me purchase something new was that back then all the decks I had, I think it was 29 millimeters, maybe 30, some of them, but then I got into these sites again and I don't know, the main sites I could remember, like Berlinwood, Blackriver, and so, and I saw there are 34 millimeters decks now and tracks. So I was like, holy shit, I always wanted a wide deck, a wide setup, and I couldn't because yeah, 29 was what we ride. So yeah. So this beauty came in the mail today. God damn, you guys can't imagine how hyped I am about having a Berlinwood again. 34 millimeters. I don't know if I will be able to ride it properly. I don't know, I'm too used to, well, I'm not used to anything now. I mean, I started fingerboarding again with all this lockdown shit, but as something for fun, not for filming. Maybe I will film something with this new deck, I don't know. But yeah, well, let's open it up and compare with some other decks I have here. Well, what do we have here? Well, the tool, typical tool from Blackriver. Some stickers. I don't know, back in the day I was so hyped about all these stickers. I don't care anymore. I don't know why people is so hyped about stickers. Yeah, not for me, but yeah, I appreciate it anyway. I mean, I can find some spot for some of these ones, I'm sure about it, but yeah. I used to collect them when I was a kid. Now it just don't hype me anymore. And I yeah, the tape, the rib tape. I think it is rib tape, I don't know. With the Berlinwood engraved thing on the tape. I thought it will come with it on it. I thought it was completely set up before. Oh yeah, it's completely set up. There's another tape on this one. Yeah, with the Berlinwood engraved too. Look at this beauty. Oh, it's sunny outside too. To see it better. Yeah, well, it doesn't focus anymore because of the sun. Fuck it. Okay, there we go. Yeah. The plies are... Yeah, it's not gonna be seen because I'm filming on my phone. And yeah, because the quality is not the best, the angle is not the best, the lighting is not the best. It comes with some wrinkles on the graphic over here, but yeah, whatever, right? Just some minimum details. Barely perfect, to be honest. Couple of scratches, or I don't know what's this, but yeah, perfect. And yeah, as I was saying, the types go from light blue, you guys won't see it. Yeah, light blue, red, yellow, red, and light blue again. Okay, so as a quick comparison, there it is, the 34 millimeters one. Here it is, the 29. Both are Berlinwood. This is from, yeah, 9 years ago. Also the tracks, notice the tracks. The tracks are like so much white. Those are 29 millimeters too, I think, matching the deck. And those are 34. Fuck, what is wrong with my numbers? Yeah, 34 matching the deck too. So yeah, you can see it's pretty wider than the things we used to ride long ago. So yeah, I don't know if I should be saying anything else about the deck. I'm so unused to do this again. It was kind of hard for me to put myself in front of a camera. So yeah, one thing I forgot, and I've been watching it lately on all these unboxing videos, is that fingerboarders, when they get a new setup, they try to see if they can land their first trick with it. So we're gonna give it a try. A little bit sketchy, but there we go. Feels great to me. How does it feel to you, huh? You liking it? Yeah?